I think Jacki has a unique and wonderful ability to teach and educate adults. And that's very different than teaching in a school setting. Adults, we're opinionated, we're entrenched in our way of thinking, and quite honestly, it takes a lot for us to move out of our comfort zone. And I found Jacki has a wonderful way of mixing up the learning styles and the way in which she engages the audience. She has a way of forcing us to look within and to be honest with ourselves and to be accountable to each other and to ourselves. And what that means is we all get something positive and effective and useful out of our session together. And I think that's a great tribute to her unique skills as an educator.
Jacki Hart, where do I start? She always gets the job done. She makes fun as we're doing it and drills down to the point where we need to be.
Jacki is our biggest cheerleader. There's nothing ever negative comes from her. She is just absolutely positive and stands behind each and every one of us.
She's truly been one of my main mentors. I value every chat we have and everything that she's offered our business, and she's helped us grow, absolutely.
She's got quality information and understanding and educates herself.
She's awesome. She gets everyone to think on their own, brings ideas to the table that we probably know a lot about already, twists things so that we have to think about it in a different way.
First time I went to one of her workshops 10 or 11 years ago, and I think that was really the point that triggered me into thinking of it was time to take this business seriously and not just a hobby, and I pretty much give her credit for that. So, and we're still on that journey.
She's very smart, very detail-oriented, does a ton of research, is a great listener. She is just passionate about helping members succeed. Jacki has been our choice to run our Prosperity Partners program, and that Prosperity Partners program actually evolved into this peer-to-peer network idea. So Jacki's just perfect at it.